So I'm excited. I just got my Juvabun Ambassador box. As you can see, it comes in a very nice display, and it came with a number of different product lines to try out, and I'm going to show a couple samples today with you. The Juva ponytail is right here. It came with the actual messy bun. It came with the braid that I'm able to sample and try as well. It matched my hair perfectly. It actually even also came with a nice little tripod, which is really convenient, and some bobby pins, which are the same color as my hair as well. So the other samples that it came with, it looks like this is the short Juvabun, the shorter hair, and I actually have the messy bun in my hair currently that you can see. I put it on, and you'll see, I'll go ahead and take it off and put it back on, just so you can see how simple it is. Just so everyone knows, I have pretty curly hair myself. So this is my hair quality. It's right now kind of messy, obviously, because I just had it in a bun. And it has a lot of curl and kink to it. So if you have any sort of texture in your hair, I promise the product does work for our hair as well, not just straight hair. So what I do is I put a pretty tight bun with my actual hair, and I roll it in there nice and tight, and I use the actual Juvabun. So this was the messy hair Juvabun, which is a really nice, easy scrunchie. So if you are unsure of how the product works, it literally is a scrunchie, and you go ahead and you use it as such. I put it into my hair just as if I was using a regular cloth scrunchie, like many of us girls have. And I wrap it up into my hair, and I'll just style the bun. I'll style it so you can see how it looks in the back, where you can obviously you can tell the color matches my hair really well. I just kind of leave it messy. I'll probably play and adjust it for a little while just to make sure it holds and it looks natural. But that's the messy hair bun. The shorter Juvabun, it's the shorter hair. I do the same process. I will go ahead and you put a bun in my actual hair, a nice tight bun. And again, same kind of concept as a scrunchie. I'll take it in my hands, and I will go ahead and scrunchie it up into my hair so it can hold my actual hair. And then I'll try styling it. And then this is the product. For me, I think the longer hair works better with my hair, just because I have a pretty big bun there. So the longer hair holds my hair better. But if you have short hair and you just kind of want to add a little bit more volume, it works great. It'll just kind of sit up there, hold your hair, and it's quick, easy. For us, I'm a single mom, so for us moms that are in a rush, we have to run, grab our kid, get them to school, get to work. This works nicely. So that's another sample product. Then there's a third bun that they gave me. I haven't used this one yet. We can try it. I think this one's the curly. If I'm not mistaken, it's the curlier hair. Here we go. And again, same concept, the scrunchy look. I bun up my hair nice and tight. And some girls, if you have straight hair, you probably don't have to bun your hair as tight as I do, but since my hair is curly, it works easier for me with this product. And this one has more of a curl to it, so it works with my hair even better, because obviously it's curls. But that's the back. That's what it looks like. Let's see. I'm going to use my mirror just to kind of see if I made it even. Oh yeah, I like that. It almost looks like a little flower back there. But colors match really well. Texture holds really well. and it's super quick and super simple. So, highly recommend it, Juvabun. If you have a chance, haven't tried it yet, try your first one, see if you like it. If it works, continue buying the product line. It's great.